The EVO E-1000 Whole House Water Filter. Utilizing the latest in high-performance carbon filtration, the EVO is able to remove contaminants like chlorine, VOCs, PFOAs, and hundreds of other impurities commonly found in your water supply. The EVO system also comes with a 20-inch pre-sediment filter to remove silt and debris as water enters your home, and that'll help protect your system for the long term. Cities and municipalities often vary the amount of chemicals used to treat the water throughout the year, and that affects the longevity and effectiveness of a whole house filter. But since the EVO is specifically designed for city water, you can be confident that this system is delivering the purest water throughout your house, no matter what the conditions. All EVO filters are made using only certified components, and you only need to replace the filters once per year to ensure the system is operating at peak performance. The best part is you get all this without a drop in water pressure. The EVO has a capacity to support a house with up to 6 bathrooms, and it's got a huge max flow rate of 15 gallons per minute. Installation is made simple with the easy water in, water out design that requires only 2 connections. Most DIY folks can complete this task in under an hour. When it's time to change the filter, simply twist off the filter housing, swap the cartridges. It only takes a few minutes. Here are the pros. This system is backed by an industry-leading lifetime warranty. It's made in the USA with only certified premium components. Designed to remove city water contaminants like chlorine and PFOAs. Comes ready to use and offers easy installation. And the cons: requires annual filter replacements. It works best for homes with less than 6 bathrooms. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discounts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.